Amen, amen. And I think Dr. Barber said this before, but let me say this one thing. Forward together.
Good morning. I'm Joyce Hobson Johnson, former Tri-Chair of the North Carolina Poor People's Campaign, speaking today on behalf of a current Tri-Chair, George Friday, who can't be with us today. But we thank her for all of her powerful leadership.
That's right.
Today, we did not come for just a day. We're still building a movement. But we're come to launch a massive year-long campaign to mobilize poor and low-wage workers to wake the sleeping giant into that powerful, life-giving giant that we are. That's who we were God ordained to be. Poor people and low-wage workers don't have to accept what the current situation is. The primary season is here, and November's on the way. And we are here. We are voting our demands at the ballot box. Look on our website so that you can see all the list of demands. They are your heartfelt desires. I'm not going to list them right now. And we're joined by this powerful gathering of coalition builders. You know who you are. Look on the website again for that powerful list. I see you. You're still coming in the back. But the people united will never be defeated because we are going forward together. Forward, one step back. All right.
Somebody said that we have over 5,000 people and growing. We've got hundreds and hundreds of thousands of people online. We're going to break the internet today all over the country. Does everybody